Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up and install Vizio V-Series 2.1 Soundbar, sub pairing and R connection guide. Step 1. Position your equipment. Place the soundbar on the TV stand directly below the screen or mount it to a wall with a including bracket. Position the wireless soundwoofer on a floor in a corner of the room or near the main sitting area for a optimal bass response. Step 2. Connect the soundbar to the TV. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to TV's HDMI ARC or EARC port. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to HDMI out TV ARC port on the soundbar. If the TV lacks a HDMI ARC port, use a digital optical cable instead. Plug one end of the optical cable into the optical out of the TV and connect other end of the optical cable to optical in on the soundbar. Step 3. Power and pair the subwoofer. You have to plug the power cord into the soundbar and wireless subwoofer, then connect to a wall outlet. Turn the power switch on the back of the soundwoofer to the on position. The subwoofer will automatically pair with the soundbar. Check the LED indicator on the back of the subwoofer. It should glow a solid color, usually white or green, to confirm the connection. Step 4. Adjust your TV settings. You just have to turn on your TV and soundbar, press the input button on the Windows remote or the soundbar to select the correct connection, HDMI or optical. Use the TV remote to navigate to settings, sound or audio, then turn the TV speaker off or exchange the external speaker. Set the digital audio output format to PCM or bitstream for optimal audio quality. Thanks for watching.